I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the process won't stall. Make sure your local drive and cloud have adequate free space, at least 10%. Once done, connect your source device via USB or a card reader. You'll open your Photos app or File Manager and create a dated import folder to keep things organized. This first step reduces duplicates and confusion later, and it lets you import in batches. Start importing the newest files first, so you handle recent shots before older archives. You now focus on the detailed execution. Import photos in manageable batches sorted by date, event, or project to reduce downtime. While importing, perform quick edits, crop, adjust exposure, and remove glaring defects, so you don't pile up bad images. Once edited, tag photos with keywords and assign a 1-5-star rating to prioritize. Make sure to add people or location tags for later searches. This workflow speeds future retrieval and keeps your library lean, because you're culling and you finish by verifying and securing your work. Confirm your backup strategy, keep a local clone plus cloud sync, and make sure file counts match between source and library. Once verified, archive originals to an external drive and keep the master catalog on your primary device for daily access. If something goes wrong, try a different cable or card reader first. If the catalog appears corrupted, run the app's repair utility or restore the latest catalog backup. This final step protects against data loss and keeps your library usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.